Corporate banking, also known as business banking or wholesale banking, serves a diverse range of clients from small and mid-sized businesses to large corporations. It provides services to small-sized businesses, medium-sized businesses, and large-sized businesses. It offers the corporate several fund and non-fund based services including credit, cash and asset management, trade finance, real estate, treasury management, loans, and underwriting, etc. Corporate banking is the key profit center for most banks. The organization can yield higher profits because of the large sums of money loaned to the corporates and the higher interest received. The bank gives loans to corporations and earns interest. Corporate banking solutions to trade finance. Over the centuries, banks have invented different ways to finance importers and exporters. Most banks have these products as standard offerings in their corporate solutions. During the last decade, banks have taken advantage of a better legal system and their enforcement and developed different innovative ways of financing importers and exporters. As a result, there are several corporate solutions available as a standard or structured product in trade finance. Now, we will deep dive on the subject and find out what are corporate solutions available for a specific trade finance requirement. Let's start. Trade finance. Hello friends. In this course, we will learn about trade finance and trade transactions. Does anybody of you know what is trade finance? Sir, trade finance is the financing of goods or services in a trade or transaction from a seller through to the buyer. Correct. Let's know more about it. Trade finance. Over 80% of the global trade depends on trade financing. It helps to keep goods moving, even when companies don't have enough cash flow internally to finance the transactions themselves. Let's see the meaning of trade finance. Trade finance generally covers the following activities: remittances, adding trust to the system by using corporate banking products; documentary credit; supply chain management; pre- and post-shipment finance. Trade finance is thus a solution to the global trade problems and challenges, and in a wider perspective, it also includes solutions from banking and other service providers. Global trade flows are large and increasing. Let's have a look at the WTO World Region Export Analysis of October 2017 by Bain and Company. The scope of this course is limited only to the corporate banking solutions to the global trade requirements, specifically trade finance. Let us look at some of the terms, essential procedures, and documents which are a part of the global trade logistic and finance. This will enable us to apply corporate banking solutions to the trade finance problems. We can divide the corporate banking solutions into the following products and services. The corporate banking solutions can be divided into remittance services and documents through bank. The remittance services are advance payment, open account, consignment, escrow. Documents through bank are document collection, which can be divided into documents against payment, document against acceptance, clean bill, bank guarantee, letter of credit, standby letter of credit, deferred payment arrangements, which can further divided into three things: DPU, DPG, and DPC. The other documents through bank are LC bill discounting and pre and post shipment finance.